Have you ever wondered how your favorite online stores seem to know exactly what you want, or how streaming services suggest your next binge-worthy show? It's not magic. It's the power of data science, a fascinating field that helps us make sense of the vast amounts of information generated every day. At its core, data science is about using information to understand the past, predict the future, and make smarter decisions. Think of it as a detective story where data scientists are the investigators, piecing together clues to uncover hidden patterns and insights. They collect, clean, and organize information from various sources, transforming raw numbers and facts into valuable knowledge. This knowledge then helps businesses and organizations understand their customers better, improve their products, and operate more efficiently. Now, let's dive into some real-world examples you encounter every day, starting with the world of e-commerce. When you shop online, data science is constantly working behind the scenes to enhance your experience. It helps retailers understand what products are popular, when to offer discounts, and even how to arrange items on their website for easier shopping. This means you're more likely to find exactly what you're looking for, often at the best possible price. Another incredible application is in recommendation systems. Have you ever wondered why Netflix knows what shows you'll like, or why Amazon suggests products you might actually buy? These systems use data science to analyze your past choices and compare them with millions of other users. By finding similar patterns, they can make smart suggestions tailored just for you, making your online experience much more personalized and enjoyable. If you're intrigued by the idea of uncovering insights and making predictions, a career in data science might be for you. For beginners, a great starting point is to build a strong foundation in basic math and logical thinking. Many online courses and free resources are available to teach you the fundamentals of working with data, even without any prior technical background. You can also explore simple tools like spreadsheets to practice organizing and analyzing information. Data science is a field that continues to grow, offering exciting opportunities to those who are curious and eager to learn. If you're ready to start your journey, begin by exploring introductory courses online and see where your curiosity takes you.